To-Go Games rugs. So I'm going to show you the 6 game rugs that come in the To-Go Games set. So first we have the number grid, the target game, the beanbag toss. Here, we'll open this a little. The challenge beams, the alphabet grid, and the hopscotch. Let me open this a little so you can see. So for example, the first that we're unboxing is the target game, and with each one of these games you get the bag that it comes in that has the game design printed on it. It comes with the rug itself. So let me pull that out and show you. So this is the example of the target game. Can you see that pretty good? Mm-hmm. And then, okay, so you get the game rug, and then you get these different cards that kids that are sitting at their desk can follow along with. So all of these activities are both for physical activity and academic learning. So while maybe one student is up jumping on the rug, the kids at their desk could be putting these little game markers that come in the package on, like the I if they jump on an I, or the S if they jump on an S. So you get a whole stack of these. And then you get whatever the equipment is that you need to play the game. So these ones come with the bean bags, and there's actually 6 in this set so that you can see. And then you also get the card that explains what is the game, what are some activities that you can play on the game, what materials do you need, and like what skills is it good for. So with the combination of the 6 game rugs and the different activity suggestions, there's over 200 different activities that you can use with this one set or this one program. With the To-Go Games rugs, each of them are designed for academic skill learning. So on this card that gives you some activity suggestions, the first activity is letter recognition. There's also letter identification or letter sounds. So what sound does each letter make? And so there's, again, the one kid that's up using the rug, and then the other kids that are at their desk using the cards as well. So the table mat cards. There's also a reverse side that these have directionality practice or consonant, vowel, consonant words. So academic learning is important with all of these game rugs in addition to the physical activity component. These rugs can be used inside or outside, so you can use them on a rainy day, a snow day, or you can take them outside and use them on the playground as well. And you also get these green game markers for the table mats.